Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we're tackling a topic that vexes even the most seasoned grammar enthusiasts: prepositions. These tiny words can be deceptively tricky, leading to all sorts of grammatical faux pas, but fear not. We're here to demystify prepositions and equip you with the knowledge to use them correctly. You see, prepositions are the glue that holds sentences together, showing the relationship between different parts of a sentence. They're like the unsung heroes of grammar, often overlooked, but absolutely essential for clear and concise communication. So, whether you're a language aficionado, eager to refine your grammar skills, or a student dreading another grammar lesson, this video is for you. We'll be diving into some of the most common preposition pitfalls and, most importantly, learning how to avoid them. Let's get started. Let's start with a classic in verses on. These two prepositions often trip people up, but there's a simple way to remember the difference. Think of in as indicating something being enclosed or surrounded. Picture a box. You put things in a box. You're surrounded by the walls of the box. That's in. Now, on suggests surface contact. Imagine a book resting on a table. The book is touching the surface of the table, right? That's on. It's like when you put a sticker on your notebook. It's not inside the notebook. It's on the surface. So the next time you're unsure whether to use in or on, ask yourself, is it enclosed or on the surface? With this little trick, you'll be navigating the in and on dilemma like a pro. Next up, we have at and to. These two can be a bit more nuanced, but don't worry, we've got this. Think of to as indicating movement or direction towards a specific destination. You go to the store, you drive to work, you send a letter to a friend. It's about the journey, the getting there part. At, on the other hand, suggests a specific location or point in space. You are at the park, at a concert, or at home. It's about being in a particular place, not the act of going there. So if you're talking about going somewhere, use to. If you're talking about being somewhere, use at. It's all about pinpointing the action. Chapter 3, by verses with agents of action. Moving on, we have by and with, two prepositions that often get tangled up. Here's the deal. By is used to indicate the agent or means of an action. The book was written by Jane Austen. The painting was created by using watercolors. It's about who or what is performing the action. With, however, signifies accompaniment or the instrument used. I went to the movies with my friends. She wrote the letter with a fountain pen. It's about togetherness or the tool used to carry out the action. So remember, by is for the actor, the doer, while with is for the companion or the instrument. Keep those roles straight, and you'll master by and with in no time. Chapter 4 for verses, since time travelers beware. Another common preposition pitfall is the confusion between for and since. Both deal with time, but they function quite differently. For is used to indicate a duration of time, a period from beginning to end. We've been friends for 5 years. I studied for 3 hours. It's about the length of time. Since, on the other hand, points to a specific point in the past when something began. I've been living here since 2010. She's been working on that project since this morning. It's about the starting point of an action or state. So when you're talking about a period of time, use for. When you're talking about a starting point in the past, use since. Remember, time travel can be tricky, but these prepositions can help us navigate it. Chapter 5, between verses. Among two's company, three's a crowd. Finally, let's tackle between and among, two prepositions that are often used interchangeably, but they have distinct uses. Between is generally used to indicate a relationship involving two distinct entities. The letter B comes between A and C. We split the pizza between the two of us. It's about a one-on-one connection. Among, however, implies a relationship involving more than two things or people. The professor walked among the students. The toys were scattered among the children. It's about being part of a larger group. So remember, between is for two, among is for three or more. It's all about understanding the numbers. That's it for our crash course on common preposition pitfalls. Hopefully you now feel more confident in your ability to navigate the sometimes treacherous waters of prepositions. Remember, even the most experienced writers and speakers stumble over these little words from time to time. The key is to keep practicing and to refer back to these handy tips whenever you're in doubt. And hey, if you make a mistake, don't sweat it. We all learn from our errors. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more language tips and tricks. See you next time.